Want to speak real Italian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ItalianPod101.com.
Hi guys, welcome back to ItalianPod101.com. My name is Daisy and in this video we're gonna talk about quantifiers. Indicatori di quantità. Indicatori di quantità. Quantifiers. As in English, there is difference between countable and uncountable nouns. So for example, as in how much sugar do you want in your coffee? We say quanto zucchero vuoi nel caffè? Quanto zucchero. Quanto. So quanto is like how much. Just be careful though, because in Italian it changes depending on the noun. So even though the noun is uncountable, it still has a genre. So it could be male or female. Male as in zucchero, so quanto zucchero. If it's female, like pasta, for example, quanta pasta. Quanta pasta mangi in una settimana, in 1 week, for example. If you're Italian, you would say a lot. But we're gonna get there later. Quanto tempo abbiamo? How much time do we have? Quanto tempo abbiamo? Quanto tempo abbiamo? Because it's a question, so you want to change the intonation. Meanwhile, for countable names, we have quanti or quante, because here too it depends on the genre, right? Quanti is actually just the plural of quanto, so it all makes sense, right? Quanti cucchiaini di zucchero vuoi? So to take the same example as before, just with a different noun, not how much sugar, but how many spoons of sugar do you want in your coffee? Quanti cucchiaini di zucchero vuoi nel caffè? Quanti cucchiaini? While if I ask you quante sorelle hai, how many sisters do you have? Because sorella is female, so sorelle, the plural form, quante sorelle. And we covered the question. For the answer, let's assume you eat a lot of pasta, because you're Italian. So you say, mangio molta pasta. Mangio molta pasta. You see here too, molta ends with A, because pasta also ends with A. Mangio molta pasta. I eat a lot of pasta. Not countable, right? Uncountable. While mangio molte mele, I eat a lot of apples. And also, if you just want to say he eats a lot, you don't have to add anything. Lui mangia molto. Lui mangia molta pasta. Lui mangia molto zucchero. Molto. In the same way, you can also use tanto. Lui mangia tanto zucchero. Lui mangia tante mele. It's interchangeable. Molto and tanto, you can use it as you prefer. My tip is to use tanto because if you cannot pronounce molto in a perfect way, you may be misunderstood, and if you say morto, it means dead. So yeah, molto or tanto, a lot of. While if you want to say too much, so not only tanto, but too much, you don't say tanto molto or molto tanto, it becomes troppo. Troppo. Lui mangia troppe mele. He eats too many apples. Lui mangia troppa pasta. He eats too much pasta. Troppo. Another common one, enough, is abbastanza. Abbastanza. Enough. Quanto hai dormito? How much did you sleep? Abbastanza. Enough. Quante ore hai dormito? Enough. You don't have to go specific, so you don't have to say how many hours you slept. You can just say enough, abbastanza. While when someone is giving you something, let's assume I'm filling your plate with pasta, because that's what we do. And if you don't want more than what I'm giving you already, you don't say abbastanza. I mean, you can say abbastanza and we still understand what you're saying, but you say basta, like stop. But you see, the word is the same. Basically, basta is inside abbastanza, which means it's enough. Basta is also enough. But if you say that, like basta, like that, it's kind of like enough is enough. So just go with abbastanza when you're asked something, okay? And going down and down with our quantity, if it's not troppo, so too much, or molto, a lot, or enough, abbastanza, then we have un po', which comes from un poco, which is a little, a few. For example, do you want some wine? Vuoi del vino? Just a bit. Solo un po'. Solo un poco. Solo is just, but you can also just say poco. A bit. Poco. And we usually do this. Poco. I'm a bit confused. Sono un po' confuso. I'm a bit confused. Un po' confuso. A bit confused. Quanti parenti hai in questa città? How many relatives do you have in this city? Pochi. A few. Pochi. A few. You can say un po' here too, but if you say pochi, you're referring to relatives. Pochi parenti. That's why it changes. Same as molto, that becomes molta with pasta. Poco, for example, poco tempo, poca pasta. But if you go with un po', the short version, you don't have to change it. Quanto tempo usi per studiare l'italiano? How much time do you use to study Italian? Un po'. I know, you don't have to hide. But I hope that this video could help you, even if solo un po', even if just a little. And if you want to learn even more, just click the link in the description, download our PDF lessons, and learn how to have real Italian conversations with native speakers. Thank you again for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you soon. Ciao ciao. Bye bye.